Hi beautiful people, welcome to another video. As you guys know, this page is about making money and business. Okay, so today's video, I don't know why I'm so excited, but because of the topic, as you can see, it's about making money and I'm so excited about that. Okay, so today we are talking about YouTube. Okay, I just want to make this video to help those who want to start their channel, okay, or those who have already started their channel. Okay, basically those who are interested in starting their YouTube channel in Ghana this 2026, okay, and make money through it. So I just want to talk you through how to start your YouTube channel and make money through YouTube. There is money in YouTube. You see, among all these social media platforms, okay, among all these platforms, YouTube is the one that has the most money. Okay, just leave TikTok aside. I'm telling you, there's money on YouTube. Just that you have to really know what you are doing, and then the money will come. And it takes quite an amount of attention, okay, consistency. I mean, you have to be serious, and then you see the benefit of YouTube, okay, in your bank account. So yes, so if you are looking forward to starting your channel or you want to become a YouTuber in Ghana, this video is for you. Do not skip any part of the video and watch until the end. Thank you so much for clicking to this video. Okay, I recently got monetized on YouTube. Yay! And yes, I am happy to announce that I have monetized this same YouTube channel. I have monetized it and I'm enjoying the benefit. Okay, so yes, it's possible that you start a YouTube channel in Ghana and make money in it. It's very, very possible because I have experienced it. I don't actually come out to talk about something that I've not experienced on my channel, okay? I talk about what I do and the advantage I've gotten. So I come out to share with you guys so you can also benefit, okay? So YouTube is actually paying content creators in Ghana. Okay, it started not today, long ago. But because I am now starting to benefit from it, that is why I'm here to tell those who don't know. You can get money from YouTube, please. You can get money from YouTube. Do not mind all those who are like, oh, content creators are this and this. Whatever you are into, you can monetize it on YouTube. Are you a seamstress? Are you showing? You can monetize it on YouTube. Are you selling fabrics? You can monetize it on YouTube. Do you like cooking? Are you a housewife that likes cooking? I mean, you are just always at home. You can monetize your home activities on YouTube, okay? Just put that camera in front of you and record it. Don't even bother whether there are some mistakes on it or not. Just put the camera and sit and record it, or whatever you are doing. Even if you don't want to show your face, whatever you are doing, take that camera and start recording whatever you are doing, okay? And make sure you are consistent. You are going to monetize that thing on YouTube. You make money from it, okay? So yes, first of all you need to do is to get your YouTube channel, okay? So with that, you have to open your YouTube app. If you don't have it, please download YouTube on your phone, your smartphone, okay? First of all, of course, you have to have a smartphone before you be able to do YouTube. It doesn't matter the kind of phone, just have a smartphone that can take videos, okay? If I show you my first video, you can just scroll through my channel. It doesn't matter the kind of camera or the kind of phone you are having. Just make sure you have a smartphone that can record you or record whatever you want to, I mean, video you want to film, okay? So of course, if you have the smartphone, get your YouTube app on your phone and then create your channel. There are tons of video on YouTube on how to create the YouTube channel, okay? So after creating your channel, you have to get a channel name for your channel. You have to get a good name. Sometimes the names in which you put on your channel will suggest the kind of content that you are going to be creating, okay? Or the content in which you are creating will suggest the name that in which you intend to create will suggest the name that you put on your YouTube channel. Don't worry, later you can adjust it. You can change your YouTube channel's name any day, anytime. You can always change it, okay? So there is something again that you need to know, which is your niche, okay? Well, some people have the view that you can start with whatever you are doing, you can post anything, but it is good when you niche down to a particular topic on YouTube, when you niche down very well, you are able to get a lot of traffic to your channel. Okay, a lot of people will be able to search and get you. There's another thing that you need to know when you are going to create your YouTube channel and also making money from it. Do you know that you have to start creating content that are searchable, content that will be able to solve people's problems? Usually we come on YouTube to search for things that can solve our problem, right? Maybe I want to learn how to sew. Okay, I want to learn how to sew, and then you are a tailor, you are a seamstress. You'll be able to create videos of how to sew this beautiful gown that I'm wearing, and of course I'll use that video and learn. You have solved my problem. So that is a beautiful niche. Okay, you will have people that are always searching for those kind of content on YouTube. So that is your niche. Select your niche properly, because whatever niche you are selecting should be something that will be able to solve a problem. Whatever niche you are selecting or you are going to narrow into should be something that is going to solve a problem. Searchable niches is very, very interesting. Don't worry if you don't have any searchable niche, you can go into lifestyle. If you guys want me to make a video about different niches that you can go into, kindly comment below. Please comment below if you want me to make videos about different niches that you want to start your channel with. I will gladly do that. Okay, so making money on YouTube, there are strategies. These steps that I'm mentioning is very important for you to be able to set up your channel and make money at the long run or even the short run, because some people, it takes them a very short time to be able to monetize their channel. Okay, so the requirement for monetization of your YouTube channel in Ghana or everywhere else, okay, we are living in a country whereby there's monetization of YouTube in our country. Some countries do not have monetization, YouTube monetization in their countries. Okay, so luckily for Ghanaians like us, we have YouTube monetization in Ghana. So yes, another thing that you need is 1,000 subscribers. Yes, you have to have 1,000 people subscribe to your channel. That is one part of the requirement before you get monetized on YouTube. And the second part is either you get 1 million views on shorts. If you are creating YouTube channel, if you are creating videos on YouTube, your videos are divided, separated into two, or there are two kinds of video that you can upload on YouTube. We have the shorts video and also the long form video. So the other requirement is that if you get 1 million shorts views within 90 days, okay, adding to the 1,000 subscribers, that is a requirement for you to get monetized. Or another requirement is that you getting 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours. Your long form videos, if people watch them up to 4,000 watch hours within a period of 1 year, okay, within a period of 1 year, if you get that 4,000 watch hours within a period of 1 year, that is another way in which you can get monetized. That is another requirement. Okay, so yes, those are the requirements. Of course, immediately you get these requirements, YouTube is just going to tell you that you have gotten to that point in which you can get monetized, and there are steps in which you can follow before the money start hitting your account. Okay, so those are the requirements. So for a new person on YouTube or a newbie on YouTube, you are going to create your channel and start working towards getting this requirement for monetization, okay, on YouTube. So yes, in Ghana, we have a lot of niches in Ghana. As I said, I will be creating a video, if you guys request, a video of different niches that you can start your channel on YouTube in Ghana here. Okay, so yes, YouTube has a lot of benefit and a lot of ways in which you can monetize. You can monetize on YouTube in Ghana a lot of different ways. They will pay you through the YouTube partner program. If you get that monetization requirement, you will be able to join the YouTube partner program in order to get your dollars keep coming to your account. Okay, so there is some advice I'm going to mention to you. If you are about to start your YouTube channel, make sure that you start contents or you create videos that are searchable and able to solve a problem like I mentioned earlier. And also make sure that you are going to be creating long form videos in which people will be able to watch for a longer period of time to be able to get you your 4,000 watch hours in no time. Okay, if you create a very interesting video, like 8 minutes long video, very interesting, and get people hooked onto it for a longer period of time, you will be able to get your 4,000 watch hours within no time. But if you create boring videos, people will click on it and then they will disappear. They won't watch your videos for a longer period of time. Thereby, you won't be able to make your 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so create searchable content, create interesting content, create people friendly videos that will hook people to watch you for a longer period of time. So with that strategy, you will automatically get your 1,000 subscribers in no time and also your 4,000 watch hours in no time. I was talking to some of my workmates, doctors and nurses, about YouTube, about creating YouTube channel in Ghana. Because at the health sector, you are able to talk to people about their health. So guys, sorry about the position change, right? Like I was saying, a lot of people want to know much about their health. So definitely you are going to have traction on your channel if you are on the health niche. Okay, if your channel is on the health niche. Okay, so yes, it's actually very good for you to be able to set up your channel niche in a way that can be able to attract people to your channel. Solving the viewers problems or watch need is the priority of YouTube. Okay, nowadays YouTube only pushes videos that the viewers are searching for. So you creating content or searchable content is the best for your channel. If you are starting YouTube this 2025, create searchable content on your channel. So for a newbie who is creating the channel today, my advice to you is to upload your videos as and when you get them ready. Okay, because if you say that you are going to wait until you get ready, you can never get ready. Just upload. If you film, edit it and upload. There is something again that I missed out telling you. You are not only coming to sit down and then create the video. You have to download video editors that will be able to help you edit your videos, cut and join your videos, put lighting in, and be able to brighten your videos for your viewership view. Okay, for your viewers. Okay, so there are apps that you can download to be able to edit your videos and post them on YouTube. Currently, I am using CapCut to edit my videos. You can download CapCut. Also, there are other apps in which you will be able to use to edit your videos. You can search online for those. Okay, so CapCut helps you to edit your videos and post them on YouTube. Okay, and also there is something called a thumbnail. A thumbnail, that is the picture you will be able to see that shows you, that gives you the idea of the type of video that the viewer is coming to click on. So usually your video title and also your video thumbnail is what attracts the viewer into clicking onto your video to watch it. So put a title that is resonating with your viewers search. Okay, yes. So if I want to learn how to braid, and of course I come onto YouTube and search, of course, titles like how to make beautiful cornrow within 3 minutes yes, should be able to attract me, who is here to learn how to braid cornrows within a short period of time. That is a very beautiful YouTube video title, okay? And also a thumbnail that shows a picture of beautiful cornrows on the head, and very clear picture should be able to attract me who want to learn how to make beautiful cornrows, okay? So those are the things that you have to start learning, okay? And do not wait to learn everything before you start creating your content. Learn from every video. Your first video should be your worst video, like your worst video, okay? So create that video and learn from it. Every video that you are creating should be an improvement of your last video, okay? Because if you go onto my channel and then see my first video, it is not the same as this recent video. That is, I have been improving upon video, okay? Yes, so that is just a small tip that I want to share with you, that you can start your YouTube channel this 2026 in Ghana, and you will make lots of money from it. That is just how to start the YouTube channel. And do you know what? People like Wademaya and other creative YouTubers in Ghana are making it big. We can also make it in Ghana as small content creators or small YouTubers, okay? The like of Sheldon, Kojo Sheldon, the likes of Wademaya, and a lot more YouTubers. For the Nigerian content creators, I cannot even mention them. They are a lot. But Ghanaians, our YouTube channels or our YouTubers are not that much like the Nigerians. So I am on a mission to meet small content creators so we can come together, learn from each other, promote each other, and make money this 2026 on YouTube. So if you are in the northern part of Ghana, I am talking about the northern part of Ghana because that is where I am. I won't be able to travel down south to be able to meet YouTubers, but when the time comes, I will be able to do that. For now, I am on the mission of meeting YouTubers, especially ladies in Ghana, in the northern part of Ghana. Let's meet and share ideas. Let's create content on YouTube. Let's make money on YouTube this 2026. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.